Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to My eBay, and then we're going to go to Selling. We're going to go to Active. And as you can see, we have one bid, 2 watchers, and 156 views. And it ends in 1 hour 47 minutes. So we'll come back to it in 1 hour and 47 minutes. Alright, now we're going to go on the bell icon, and then we're going to go to Paid Ship Now. When you get to this page, you're going to want to put your preferred shipping method. I usually go with USPS First Class. Then you're going to want to purchase postage. When you get to this page, you're going to want to print label. And here you're going to want to select your printer and hit print. Once it's printing, you're going to want to package your package. Here you're going to cut the paper. You're also going to want to put tape here, 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 and here. This is what it looks like when you packaged it. And this is the complete package. Now you're going to want to go to a post office and drop it off. And that's it.
If you like the video, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll also put some links in the description on products that we've used. Hope you enjoy them as much as we have. Thank you for watching.